Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel and taking time to watch these videos. You know that I appreciate it as always. As you probably know from my last video, I was pretty stressed because the boat got damaged during high winds in November, and I don't mind admitting it's put a few more grey hairs on the old wig here. But I was stressing over something that I didn't ultimately need to stress over really, because I was thinking, should I go for the insurance, should I not go for the insurance, how's it going to affect my premium? And to be honest, when I spoke to my insurers, Tailgate Insurance, who have been absolutely fantastic, they just said, just go for the insurance, we'll sort it out for you. So my excess was £144. As soon as I gave them quotes that I got from Ancaster for the new port and starboard railings, because they've all been bent up when it was damaged, I sent them the bill, they paid that money into my account within 7 days. My biggest headache has been trying to find someone that I trust to do the repairs. And I'm very fortunate there's someone in the boatyard where my boat is stored who does repairs to most of the boats here. I got him to give me a quote, and so I gave that to the insurance company, Tailgate Insurance, and they deposited the money for that repair cost into my account within 3 days actually. So far the repairs are coming in at a bit over £3,000, so maybe 3,300 I think. And Tailgate Insurance haven't quibbled with any of it. So it's not like when you have a car and you know they want a pint of blood and you're inside leg measurement before they pay anything out. The boat insurance world seems completely different and so much more helpful, so much more understanding. I've got one more cost that's going to hit. So once Beneteau send the new railings to Ancaster, there's going to be an onward kind of courier charge, delivery charge from Ancaster. But I've already let the insurance know that, and they're happy to pay that, whatever that fee is going to be, but I'm not expecting it to be extortionate. I've also had, whilst the boat's been dry stored and repaired, I've also had my outboard service, so that's going to be ready for the new season. So all things considering, despite it being stressful and getting more grey hairs, it's been overall recently a bit more positive, and I think that's been enhanced by the people that are repairing the boat and the fact the insurance company have been so great to deal with. So I'll take some more videos in the meantime of how the repairs are going, and I'll post like maybe 1 or 2 minute videos going forward as to how the repairs look and the quality of them. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe to the channel, it always helps, and let me know if there's anything you want to see on the boat or that I'm not showing or not saying that you want me to say or see or show. As long as it's not offensive to anyone else, I'm happy to try it. Anyway, thanks very much for your time, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.